Hey, Ninja here. How are you doing today? Well, if you need 5 reasons to get started riding an e-bike, I'm gonna give you right now. So, reason number 1 for riding an e-bike instead of driving a car every day is you're gonna put your car in the garage and your car is gonna be sitting for a while, which means less maintenance, oil changes, and when you save in your budget. So reason number 1 is your car is sitting and you have less maintenance in your car when you're riding an e-bike. Reason number 2 to ride an e-bike is that e-bikes are way cheaper than cars. So buying an e-bike is a better option than just having multiple cars for different types of drives and rides, especially for short rides. An e-bike is an excellent vehicle. So riding an e-bike rather than having multiple cars is a very nice way to save money and to have fun at the same time, because riding e-bikes is super fun. Well, reason number 3 for riding an e-bike is that e-bikes are eco-friendly and you're not polluting and you're saving your petrol and gas, and you know you're in the nature. You're right here, right in the nature. You're outside. You're not inside a shell, and you know it feels great because this is natural air, and you see the trees and you see people, and it feels more like you're in contact with the environment where you went in, rather than when you're driving a car and you're more like inside a closed shell. So riding an e-bike is a nice way to be eco-friendly. Another reason to ride an e-bike, and this is reason number 4, right? Reason number 4 to ride an e-bike is that if you need some type of exercise, riding an e-bike can be a light type of exercise. It is different from driving an automatic car, that's for sure. The sitting position is different. You have to work on your balance, and you know, if you're young, that shouldn't be a problem, but as you get older, you know, having balance is really, really important. And when you ride e-bikes, you're forced into having some type of skills on 2 wheels, and that is going to make you be younger for longer. And who doesn't want to be young, right? You grow old, but still you want to be young. We want to have that young type of personality, young type of person, and riding an e-bike will help you be, I wouldn't say fit, but it'll help you be fit a little bit, because you have to ride in the 2 wheels ride position, and you have to work on your senses. You have to be attentive and careful all the time. So yes, this is a very good reason to ride an e-bike. And the last one and most important reason for riding an e-bike is that you need a reason to go outside. You need a reason to be out there bothering people in the traffic. And certainly e-bikes do bother a lot of people in traffic, and you don't want to get any road rage or anything against you, right? God forbid. But it's fun. It's just fun to ride e-bikes. You don't need to paddle, especially the type of, you know, these types of moped like the Ridstar Q20. Ridstar Q20 is like a moped, electric moped, and you don't need to pedal. You don't need to pedal e-bikes, and that's a very good reason to ride e-bikes, that you don't really have to pedal. And don't worry about the range, because they can take you as far as 10 miles, 15 miles away without needing to recharge. So yeah, for short rides, I would definitely, short rides, mini, like 5-mile ride, 7-mile ride, you will have no problem going back home and recharging your batteries, recharging your e-bike. So yes, a good reason to go out there and have fun with a bicycle that you don't need to pedal. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching the 5 reasons why you need to buy an e-bike right away. Go now. Go buy one now. And if you want to buy one, you know, I'm not sponsored by Ridstar Q20, but I can recommend, and I sure will recommend. It's like, right now, it's like $600. You will buy one, plus delivery. Yeah, it's going to come to $1,000, maybe $1,000 today. So yes, go out there, have fun. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Bye. Stop recording.